That's it right here. That's it. The new Rolls-Royce truck. Hey, bag, where you at? There's a Metro Race right here. All you gotta do is text me, tell me, go ahead. Rolls trucks. What I'm trying to figure out is like, how these niggas sleep, like. Niggas ain't working that motherfucking hard around this motherfucker, man. Yo, hey, yo, my man. Don't get your ass up there, nigga.
I'm take a video. I got a video for you.
No, nigga. This nigga here, see, he a Ridge Crit nigga. Now we in the motherfucking, how many bedrooms in this motherfucker? This nigga still sleeping on the floor. What about 5 bedrooms in this bitch? Where rest you niggas at? Yo, Rex. Yeah. What you doing? Who? Who? Banks of the story. These niggas sleep too motherfucking much, man. It's too much money to be fucking made for everybody to be sleep. Shit. What's in this motherfucker? Oh, I gotta find somebody. Man, ain't nobody got time to be sleep. Before we were living like this, we was up, standing in the rain, Ridge Chris hallways for pennies, nigga. What the fuck you mean?
Going to sleep, though.
Nigga, we wasn't going to sleep, nigga. We trying to get $1,000 stand up. Man, I'm woke, man. What's up? He woke. My nigga, what's up? Only motherfucker up, man. What's poppin'? I need a stylist too, man. Somebody come help me put my shit together. And this nigga here, man. I'm telling you, let me tell y'all about this nigga. This nigga supposed to take the photos, man. Nigga have a picture of him in every location. No picture of me, no motherfucking world. Rock Nation, shout out to the family. Go check out that new motherfucking J&B album. He spinning real shit. Go check out the tour. All that. It's the family, nigga.